Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and give that little bell below a little click. Not going to be hanging about today, super easy. Let's get straight in. Avocado, tomato, cucumber, roughly about the same amounts. Sliced red onion, you could be using white if you wanted, a little bit less. I mean, you can adjust that how you want. I'm using some fresh parsley today. You could be using cilantro, fresh basil, dill, that's up to you. And then olive oil and lemon juice. I'm going 2 to 1. 2 olive oil, 1 lemon juice. The lemon juice also really helps the avocado from browning. That's it, apart from a touch of salt, pepper, in a bowl, mix, done. Okay, mixing bowl, avo, toms, cucumber. Let's get that onion in as well. And the fresh herb that you want. Like I said, I'm using a parsley. Lemon juice, olive oil. Like I said, I'm going 2 to 1. Bit of salt to taste. Bit of black pepper. We're going to give that a little mix and it's done. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we will see you soon. Lots of love.